You can earn from 50 cents up to $10 for watching a 30 seconds of video ad. And on average, you can earn $2.65 watching these video ads. This works in United States, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, and all countries around the world. And with the trick shown in this video, you can earn $100 a day in pure passive income. So the first website on our list is this one right here. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, this site has Trustpilot rating of 4.4 stars, and over 25,000 people voted for this app till now. So this is absolutely a legit website to make money online. But first, I want you to click on registration and register yourself using email and password. Next, fill in your first name and your last name. Select your gender, and boom, you will be logged into your account and you will have zero balance. So to earn money watching video ads, I want you to click on where it says Earn. And on this page, you can choose different methods to make money online. But to earn money watching video ads, we are going to use this one today, watch videos. But you can also make money by playing games or by filling out surveys. These are very easy surveys. You don't need to be an expert to make money with them. You can also get cash back for shopping and can earn money by completing micro tasks. Let's just click on where it says Earn to watch videos. And you can see, we can earn anywhere between 50 cents all the way up to $10 for watching a 30 seconds of video ads. And this rate will depend on the country you are from. So, in United States or in Canada, you may get $7 to $10 per video ad you watch, whereas in other countries, you can get 50 cents to $5. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now the name of this website is paidwork.com. You will find a link to this website in the description of this video. So, to earn money watching video ads, you need to click on this watch button right here. And on next page, you can see that you need to download the Paid Work app from Google Play Store if you have Android device, or from App Store if you have iOS device. So once you install the app on your device, click on the Earn section again. Scroll down and select the watch videos method. Scroll down again and click on this watch button. And on next page, you just click on Start Watching Video, and an ad will start playing on your screen. You just have to watch the ad for 30 seconds. After that, you can click on the cross icon on top right corner. And as you can see, you watch the entire video and receive the points. Just like this, you can watch as many video ads as you want, and you can make money watching video ads. Now, let's come over to our dashboard, and you can see that I have received $2.65 for just watching a video ad. So on an average, I am getting $2 for each video ad I watch. And you can get more than this, or some less amount than this, depending on your country. But in this video, I will show you actually two websites. The second one is my favorite, because that's where I was able to withdraw this amount of money. And there, you can earn money watching YouTube videos. Also, I will show you a bonus trick to earn $100 in pure passive income, so stay tuned till the end. Now as you can see, Paid Work has a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 stars. This means it's completely a legit website. So, even if you are getting less amount per video ad, you can watch more and more ads to make legit money with Paid Work. Or even better, you can choose other methods of earning money on the site, such as, you can fill out surveys, where you can also get up to $10 for each survey you complete. Or, you can play games, where you can get anywhere from $1 to $100 for completing a task in a game. Now to withdraw your earnings from Paid Work, you need to earn at least $10. And as you saw, earning $10 on Paid Work is very easy, especially if you try other methods available here. And once you get $10 in your account, just click where it says Billing. Then click on this Add Payment Method, and you can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account. Or, if you don't have PayPal, you can withdraw the earnings directly to your bank account. Now, if you want to earn $10 very fast, then I have a special bonus tip for you. So, you want to go here where it says Referral Program. And you can see here, you can invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on Paid Work. And if the person make their first payout, you will both get $10 for free. So, this is an awesome way to earn $10 fast. And in a minute, I will show you the fast and effective way to get hundreds of referrals in a day. But for now, let's move to the second website, which is my favorite one. By the way, paid work is 100% legit and working site. If you just go to Play Store, you can see that most reviews are positive. And you can also check the reviews by yourself to see what other people think about it. So the second website on our list is this site right here. Now the good thing about this website is that they have many different payment methods available here. So, just sign up using your email and password. Once you sign up, the most important thing is, you need to complete your profile, and you need to complete details about yourself to start earning money watching video ads. And even, we are getting paid $1 to complete our profile, 50 cents to verify our email, and so on. So let's do that one by one. First, let us verify our email. Then, let's complete the profile. You just need to fill in your personal details, and your address details, and just hit save. Next, let's complete about me. And in this, you have to provide an honest answers to the questions. So let's choose an answer, and scroll down all the way to the end, and press continue. Answer the next question on the next page, and scroll down, and press continue. It's the same process. So, let me answer all of these questions, and get back to you once I complete them. After I completed those questions, as you can see, I have earned $1.07 for completing my profile. Now, click on Earn to go back to homepage. You can see here that you have a lot of surveys to complete. For instance, this one will earn you over $1. This one will earn you 70 cents, and so on. And there are even more offers here, where you can earn even more money. $15 here, $9, and $7. But today, we want to make money by watching YouTube video ads. So for this, scroll down to where it says, Offer Walls. Now, there are different offers as well, but if you look at these two offers right here, Loot.tv and Hideout TV, you can see that they have this videos feature. So, here you can make money by actually watching video ads. So, let's just open one of them, and on this page, you will find a ton of videos to watch. Food, DIY, gaming, business. You can choose the one you like, and it will take you to Loot.tv, where you need to sign up yourself. And, as soon as you log in, you can find a ton of YouTube video ads that you can watch and make money. And if you click where it says, Points, you can see here that you have one linked account with GrabPoints.com. And this is the name of our second website. GrabPoints also has a Trustpilot rating over 4.5 stars. And this is also 100% legit and working website. Now, you can come back to the home page of Loot TV, and you can start watching these video ads, for which you will get points. Those points will be directly added to your Grab Points account, which you can easily withdraw from there. Grab Points is also available worldwide, and if you are even getting paid less per YouTube video ads you watch, you can try other two main methods to earn money on this website. If you click on these three lines, you can see that they have offers and surveys. If we click on offers, you can see all the offers that they have on the website that you can complete and get paid right now. You can earn up to $14 or even up to $15 per offer you complete. Now, if you go to surveys, you can see all the surveys that they have right now, and you can earn up to $2 for completing these surveys. These offers and surveys keep updating, so you can get paid even more on new surveys and offers. Now to withdraw your earnings from Grab Points, you just have to go to the rewards. And there, you will find many payment withdrawal options. So, even if you don't have PayPal, you can take withdrawal and some other payment methods available for your country. Now to earn $100 a day in pure passive income, all you have to do is copy your referral link from paidwork.com and come over to reddit.com. Reddit is visited by over 1.9 billion people in a month, and over 48% of these people come from United States alone. Now, just create a post similar to what you are seeing on the screen and publish your post in this community. And when people from this community will see your posts, they will join through your link. And even if only 30 people join through your link and withdraw from paid work, you will be earning $100 a day in pure passive income. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from paid work in the upcoming videos, then help me get over 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching.